Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram video call not showing on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram video call not showing, you should just go to settings as you see here and we click like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and we will click. After that, in this list you will go down to Instagram as you see here, and then here in this page you will go to force stop, and after that when you will click here you will go to click storage like this, and then here in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will click here to clear data. Then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.